I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've installed Gboard and set it as your default. Now start in WhatsApp. Open a chat and tap the text field so Gboard appears. If you haven't already, grant keyboard and clipboard permissions. This lets Gboard suggest text and paste copied items. Once done, tap the Gboard icon or long press the emoji key to access settings quickly. Make sure glide typing and emoji suggestions are enabled so you can type faster and get contextual predictions while composing messages. Now use Gboard actively in WhatsApp. Swipe across letters to glide type long words. Lift your finger to accept the word. For tone and clarity, tap the emoji or GIF icons to search by keyword and add visuals that match your message. When you need a saved phrase or link, open Gboard's clipboard to paste recent clips. Pin frequently used snippets. Also use voice typing by tapping the microphone when hands-free input is easier. Then edit any transcribed text before sending. Finish by customizing Gboard. Choose a theme, adjust height, and set primary languages so suggestions match your typing habits. If you notice lag or missed keys, go to App Settings and clear cache or turn off clipboard history to free resources. Make sure WhatsApp and Gboard are updated. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Gboard or temporarily switch keyboards to confirm the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: check keyboard permissions. Without clipboard and microphone access, features like paste and voice typing won't work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.